Can an Earth airship fly on Mars?
Let's find out. Did you know that the atmospheric pressure at 100,000 feet above the Earth is the same as the atmospheric pressure at the surface of Mars? This means that if you get this propeller to work at the edge of space around the Earth, it will work in the skies of Mars. And I already know that'll work at the edge of space around the Earth. And I know this because we did it.
This is the Tandem Twin Balloon Airship at 95,000 feet above the Earth. It is capable of reaching over 140,000 feet. If it can fly here, it could fly on Mars. The density and pressure at the airship's operating altitude of the Earth and of Mars are the same. Just around the Earth, it's at the edge of space, and around Mars, it's near the surface. Here is the Mars version of the Tandem Airship. One of the things it could do is collect samples from the Perseverance rover. In this operation, it would dock with the rover and retrieve the samples that the rover collected. The airship would then climb from the surface to high altitude in the Martian atmosphere. There it would fire this rocket, the two-stage microsat launcher. The rocket would carry samples collected by the rover and deliver them to an Earth transfer vehicle in Mars orbit. That's just one of the many missions a Mars airship could carry out. Telecom, hard-to-access sampling, meteorological research, and inter-Mars cargo transfer could all be carried out by this cheap and existing technology.
So the answer is yes. An Earth airship, at least one that can fly to 100,000 feet, can operate above Mars. And it could do so with existing technology. But you know, what we'd really like to do is take this system
to Venus. I want to send a big thank you out there to all our Patreon supporters. You keep us flying.
JP Aerospace, America's other space program.